After pre-processing, the last step is event analysis. In most cases, the start time of event is set as the time 0, and the fluorescence changes before and after the event are analyzed. The two most common used readouts are delta F over F and the z-score. Delta F over F represents the change in fluorescence relative to the control, or in simple terms, the relative increase in signal compared with the control. It tells us how much the signal has changed. Z-score can be understood more simply as how far the signal is from the average value. Based on delta F, I further standardize the signal using the standard deviation and shows how many standard deviations the current signal is above or below the mean. In other words, delta F over F shows the size of signal change, while the z-score shows how strong or significant that change is relative to control variability. And both delta F over F and z-score are widely used in fiber photometry studies and are commonly reported in the literature. Another commonly used quantitative index is AUC, or area on the curve. It measures the area enclosed by the curve and a reference y value, and can be used to evaluate the overall magnitude of fluorescence change.